I'm gonna be playing the role si Ian Peralta. He's in Section E and siya po yung pinakabata dun. So given naman po na siya po yung pinakamakulit. At times he can be annoying. He comes from a family of doctors and neglected po siya. So yung mami niya tsaka daddy niya wala lagi sa bahay. So medyo, I feel like he has this feeling of parang he wants attention. I don't know, I can't find the right words, pero yung parang gusto niya ma-feel yung pagmamahal talaga kasi yun nga, laging wala yung nanay tsaka tatay niya sa bahay. So kung paano si CN kay JJ, ganun talaga po sa mga friends ko, yung mga best friends ko talaga, makulit po talaga. As in, laging may kalokohan, laging may ginagawa. Tsaka si CN, chismoso sobra. Eh, chismoso din ako, so parehas kami ni CN. I knew it was like very, very big. Alam ko naman po yun, pero hindi ko talaga siya binasa, so I didn't really know much about it. And yeah, I started reading talaga nung audition pa lang, doon na po ako nagbabasa. Lagi po ako sinasabihan ni Directed na show more energy kasi CN sobrang kulit po niya. Lagi niya po ako sinasabihan na hindi ko makita yung kulit. You have to be more, kumbaga childish po or more energy talaga. Yun po yung number one, yung sinasabi niya po. Hindi ko kasi masyado ma-explain yung emotion ko, pero it's like, I'm pressured. Pero I'm confident na alam kong... I'm not saying I'm gonna meet their expectation kasi alam ko pong yung mga Wattpad reader, mataas talaga pa expectation nila. Pero I know that I'll do my best and ibibigay ko talaga lahat ng kaya ko. Hi guys, this is Charles La and please watch ang mutya ng Section E on Viva One.